Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I have booked 17,150 rupees point five guys. So I'll refresh this. You can check the order book. I have punched three orders. So for some reason I didn't feel right about the first two orders. So that is why I've exited at close to break even. And then this is the main order that has fetched me the profit that you are seeing here. So 15,903 rupees. So let us discuss what was the logic, guys. What is happening in the markets? Okay. Yeah. So coming into the markets, what would be our bias for the day? Because there is nothing here. Yeah. In the weekly time frame, the only closest reason that we could identify is taking out this previous week's low and then giving some sort of bullish bias. So we could aim for these highs because we have relatively equal highs, or else we could aim for the bearishness also. That is up to the market to decide. And what has happened in these 5 days in the whole week? See, this is an easy trade because market has taken out the previous week's low, and this is an easy trade because there is some sort of gap and market has taken out the week's high. This trade, I mean, this candle is a little bit hard to predict. And this candle we could predict to some extent because we have taken out the relatively equal highs, and after taking out, market has given some sort of decent retracement. We could call it that way. Now coming into the markets for now, so what has happened? So there is some volume gap here, as you see. Okay, so this volume gap is very important until unless market takes out this volume gap and closes below this, we cannot expect the price to come more downwards. That is yet to unravel actually. So what has happened here? So in the first 4 hour candle, market has tapped into this high swing high. I tried to capitalize this, but then I couldn't because I had an emergency work outside, so I had to go. And there is this rejection block as well. So all these two reasons make the market key point of interest to fall down. Okay, in 2 hours, I could see that this is an accumulation zone, and if we call this as a manipulation, so market could go up. That is what market is showing. So there are mixed signals as of now because on one side there is some sort of liquidity yet to be taken out. On the other side, and there are these equal highs resting above. So we are in a tight trading range. So that is why it's very hard to predict. Now, what was my bias coming into the markets early in the session? See, I think I have gone to some 2 minutes or 6 minutes or something. See, what has happened is I know market can go towards the upside because there is some sort of inverse fair value gap in these 2 minutes. So I thought that the market could go up because we have taken out the swing low, so there could be some sort of bullish momentum here. But then I was wrong. Sorry, I wanted to go short actually, not go long. Mm, orders. Yeah, my first order is a short order itself. But then the way it is moving, it is not giving me enough conviction to hold the trade towards the short side. If I had held the trade, my trade would have been closed by now. I think by 9:30 itself, I would have been out of the markets, 9:30, 9:35, because I could have targeted this swing low. But then this inverse fair value gap has been giving me mixed signals so that I have exited the trade at break even. So I did not hold this put option. And then market started falling. The second trade, it was in Bank Nifty. The second trade was in Bank Nifty, guys, because in Bank Nifty, I had conviction that the market would go up because it is not seeming the way it is seeming that today is a bearish market. So at 9:37, I've executed the call option. At 9:42, I've closed somewhere to break even. This is the amount that I've captured. I would call that as a break even trade. I think 9:36. Yeah. See, I try to go long somewhere in this zone, and then once market has come back to my entry levels, I've exited the trade. I did not hold it any longer because I thought this low would be a protected low, but then this low has been breached. So that is when I lost the conviction. So I was lucky enough that the market has come to my break-even point, my entry zone, and then uh, it had fallen down later. Now, what is happening with the market is, oh, I wanted to tell the main trade that I have capitalized on. That is this fall, guys, because in the 6 minutes, in the 10 minutes, yeah, it's better we go to this. See what has happened. Market has taken out this swing low. It has closed harshly below, and there is this order block. So what happened? There would be some sort of buying momentum as we see. It has given after sweeping the liquidity. That is fine. But then you know what? This order block plays a crucial role in the markets because this is in the discounted zone. In this discounted zone, this is the key important area that we can look after only for the buy trades. But then I knew that this move would be what do we call, a fake move, a fake buy side move, because who is not going long here? Everybody is thinking that the market has sharply fallen down. It has taken out the swing low. There is this order block. So that is why these two bull moves can give them enough conviction to hold on to the uh, side, and that is call option side, which means bullish bias. But then there is this fair value gap also that gives us, what do we call, enough point of interest so that market can fall down another leg, and that is the reason I held the trade. So it has given me a beautiful 10 points. That's it, nothing less, nothing more, guys. If you see the order book, 9:30, I've executed the order at 9:55, so 2:30, and at 10:03, 240 rupees is the price that I have kept as limit order, and 1500 quantity. That's it, and I am out of the markets. And I'm no more interested what markets might do from now on, because for me, the liquidity has been swept. There is this sorry, okay, let's delete the tool. Hmm. Okay, there is no clear indication. We could call this as a rejection block here, and that is what market has exactly precisely tapped into it, and then it started going up, giving this harsh move. I think in Bank Nifty we have a clear idea. Not even Bank Nifty, sorry. In Bank Nifty, this is the inverse fair value gap that we can look after. Once market has swept this swing low, and there is this inverse fair value gap from where we can look after the buy trades. This is a huge candle. All the sellers have been trapped in one go. That is good. Decent move, guys. It's a decent move. Yeah, in 6 minutes. Yeah, in 6 minutes we could clearly see that this order block playing out very well. But who will capitalize on this? It's very hard, to capitalize these markets until unless you enter in the limit order. I mean, as soon as the market, this bar takes out the previous swing low and closes above it, you can place the order, and that's how you can capitalize it. Otherwise, there is no other way you can capitalize on this bull bar. There is no other chance. Now the retracement people, guys, they are trying to long in this leg. So what is my bias? If you ask me personally, I don't think I'm bullish enough. I'm still bearish only. But still, if market surprises me, simply I would be surprised. That's it. Nothing else for me to do. Uh, the first one are mm, okay. Mm, great. That's it for now, guys. I think even I am confused what markets might do for now. So I think we don't know whether these lows are still open. So we don't know whether we'll get the right to these lows today itself, or maybe in the next week, or on to the coming weeks. I'm not sure about that, guys. So for me, my job is done. My job is consistency. I'm focusing on that. I'm focusing on capturing 10 points in options, 20 points, 20 base hitting points in a spot chart. I mean, in Nifty or Bank Nifty. That's it. Nothing else, guys. So all this analysis, all this precision can help you out only if you have enough experience. Otherwise, it becomes very tricky for you to sit in the markets. Now, if you ask me what is my bias, what I'm looking after, I'm not sure. I don't know whether markets will go up, take out this swing high, or it will again fall down, take out this swing low. I'm not sure now. So Seeing on the momentum, everybody's prediction would be like to take out the swing high, because you know how it works. All the people who have been shorting here, they'll draw the Fibonacci tool, and they'll find some sort of reason for them. From here, they'll pull that point of interest, and then they are expecting for the market to give some sort of signal to go short again. But it doesn't seem like market is going to fall now. Maybe we need more clarity on that. So for me, my job is done. I'm out of the markets. I don't have any business. So if you are people also trying to focus on the consistency, try to keep your trades on the early morning sessions, guys, because in the early mornings you'll have a lot of clarity, a lot of you know stable mind to take up the quality setups. But as the day progresses, sometimes you have to wait. I understand that, because the morning trades are not that great like these ones. You see the market has been completely ramping up towards the bullish side, but you cannot capitalize on it, because there are certain reasons why market can go, because there is this, I'll remove this tool. There is this order block playing out. There is this liquidity rates, and then market has given this bullish momentum. But then see this V reversals. Who would be capitalizing on this? I don't think anybody can. You can short here for 20 points, because there is this volume gap in the premium zone and there is this fair value gap. But then sometimes you have to wait, sometimes you have to jump in. But that doesn't mean FOMO should come in and take over the headspace. So I think that's it, guys. I'm planning to, do some live trading, come into the live streaming, actually, not live trading, live streaming. I don't think it's allowed in our markets, in our country, to do live streaming and live trading. Live streaming is fine, I guess, not live trading is fine. So I'm planning to do that in the coming week. So please let me know if you're interested, not interested, what else you are wanting me to contribute to you. So I'll try to do that, guys. I've started the Discord channel also. Not started. I'm planning to start the Discord channel as well. So I'll put the link in the community section. So if you are interested, please join in it. I can contribute and provide you more resources on the Discord channel. So I think YouTube is limited in that area, so I cannot post much in YouTube. So I'll try to help you with the trade ideas. If there is anything from my side, I'll contribute to you as honestly and as genuine as possible, guys. Okay. Don't expect any course from me also. Just saying, I don't have any plans of putting up some course, because I know that some material will not make you profitable. Some videos will not help you become a millionaire. So maybe mentorship, yeah, maybe not course. Generally, not materials. That's it, guys. That's it for now. So enough of my bullshitting. So I'll let the day go. So I have turned on the even kill switch also. So no more trading for me. So I'll be out of the markets. I'll enjoy the weekend. I hope you too will have a great weekend, guys. So see you next time.